Hi, I'm Eric Lanask with TMC. We are here in San Jose, California this week with our TMC Roadshow. And I've got on the program with me today Morgan Slane from Splashdata. Morgan, great to have you. Thanks for being with us.
My pleasure.
So start off, tell me a little bit about what does Splashdata do?
So the company is Splashdata. The product is Splash ID Safe. And Splash ID Safe is all about password security and managing all of your usernames and passwords and credit card numbers and account numbers that you have. It's about keeping all this information with you, but also secure.
So obviously, there's an obvious need to have passwords to protect access to different sites and accounts and things like that. But what's the big problem that you're helping solve?
Yeah, passwords are not very sexy, not very exciting, but they're so important to maintaining security in today's web-connected world. And the issue is that people tend to use the same username password combination over and over again. Or they write stuff down on a piece of paper, or they keep it in an unprotected file on their PC, which can get lost or stolen. So we offer an application that's a digital safe. It sits on your iPhone or iPad or Android device or your PC or your Mac or on the web, and then you can access this information with a single master password that unlocks the safe with all the other information. And that way you are able to reach this information anytime you want it, but you're also secure. And we offer a solution for individuals, a personal edition of Splash ID Safe. We also offer an edition for enterprises, for IT managers that want to enable their constituencies, their employees, their IT departments to share information, but also keep this information secure.
So this master safe, where is that actually contained? Is it on the local drive or is it up in the cloud somewhere?
We're unique in that we offer both options, so you can keep the information purely local if you want it, so it's just on the phone or it's just on the PC, or you can store it in the cloud. And that way, synchronization between all your devices is easier.
Have you found that people have a preference one way or the other?
Some people want the security of knowing exactly where the information is local on the device, on the hard drive, and some people want the ease of use of being able to synchronize. We're seeing both.
So certainly the ease of use is one great feature. Is there enough trust to put that kind of information, so you have all of my passwords and account information into someplace in the cloud where it's technically out of my control? Are you seeing a growing trust in terms of doing that?
We are. A few years ago, people weren't really sure what cloud solutions were, but now with iCloud and other cloud services becoming more popular, people are more used to the concept. But you have to use a provider that you trust, and that's where a company like Splashdata, it's been around since 2000, really gives people the comfort of knowing that it's a company that cares about security, is focused on security. And for enterprises, we offer the option of either using our cloud services or having the information stored on their own servers inside their network so they control the information.
So in terms of use or usability, what does a user do? How does a user actually use the product?
You log into your Splash ID Safe with your master password and use a key code or use a pattern recognition on the device. And then you get access to your database of all of your information. And you can sort by category, by business records, by personal records. You can quickly search for something. So if you have hundreds of records, and most of our clients do, it is pretty easy to find the one that you want quickly.
Wow, fantastic. How do you get to your users, to your customers? How do you reach them?
We're on all the app stores, and you can go to our website and purchase the desktop software. For the enterprise services, you contact one of our agents, and we walk through the process. We help you install the server on your network, or you can just very simply use our cloud services.
So what's the price for the app?
It's $10 for iPhone and Android, and it's $19.95 on the desktop.
So what happens if I've got an iPad and an Android phone?
That way, it's a reason to use Splash ID Safe because we have versions for all those devices, and you can synchronize via Wi-Fi if you're keeping everything local, and that way the information is the same on all those devices.
Got it. Excellent. Morgan, thank you so much for being on our program.
That was great. My pleasure.